हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं आपके आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट के लिए मॉडल पेपर। ठीक है, ये जो वीडियो आपके सभी फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है और इस वीडियो में आपको क्वेश्चन जो है इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों ही लैंग्वेज में मिलेंगे। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। ये वीडियो आपके आने वाले सभी एग्जाम के लिए आरआरबी, बिहार, राजस्थान सभी फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, Which equipment is used to reduce particle size in pharmaceutical manufacturing? फार्मास्यूटिकल निर्माण में कणों का आकार घटाने के लिए कौन से डिवाइस का यूज किया जाता है? इसमें ऑप्शन है सेंटर फिल्टर, बॉल मिल, ऑटोक्लेव एंड परकुलेटर। सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन डी, बॉल मिल। Ball mill is a grinding device used to reduce particle size by impact and attritions, making it ideal for pharmaceutical uses. Next question. And filter used for the filtrations. Okay, and autoclave used for the sterilizations. And percolation is used for the extraction process. Next question. Which is the best method to sterilize heat sensitive solution? Option A autoclaving, option B dry heat sterilizations, option C membrane filtration, and option D radiation. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन सी, membrane filtration. Membrane filtration is the best for sterilizing heat sensitive solution as it remove microbes without using heat. And autoclaving uses high temperature and pressure, and dry heat not suitable for the liquid. Okay, and radiation used for the solution. Next question. In pharmaceutical analysis, the pH of a solution is measured by option A spectrophotometer, option B pH meter, option C polarimeter, option D refractometer. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन डी, pH meter. pH meter measure the hydrogen ion concentrations which indicate the pH. Next question. IP address for. Correct answer is option B. IP का पूर्ण रूप क्या है? इंडियन फार्माकोपिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन हॉस्पिटल फार्मेसी द टर्म फॉर्मुलरी रेफर्स टू. अस्पताल फार्मेसी में फॉर्मुलरी शब्द का क्या अर्थ है? ऑप्शन है लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्टर, लिस्ट ऑफ अप्रूव्ड मेडिसिन, एंड ऑप्शन सी लिस्ट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एंड ऑप्शन डी लिस्ट ऑफ डिजीज. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन डी, लिस्ट ऑफ अप्रूव्ड मेडिसिन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The law regulating drug and cosmetic manufacturing in India is option A Pharmacy Act 1948, option B Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940, and option C Medical Termination Act 1971, and option D Narcotic Drug Act 1985. Correct answer is option D, Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Next question. Which method is used for the separation of a volatile component from a mixture? Option A filtration, option B distillation, option C sedimentation, and option D centrifugation. सही आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, distillation. Next question. Question number 7th. Which of the following is used to detect impurities in drug sample? Option A UV spectrometer, option B mortar and pestle, option C ball mill, and option D tablet press. Correct answer is option A, UV spectrometer. UV spectrometer can detect chemical impurities by analyzing absorptions. Next question. Question number 8. In clinical pharmacy, ADR stands for option A advanced drug reaction, option C additional drug research, and option D automated drug recording. Correct answer is option B, advanced drug reaction. Next question. Question number 9th. Pharmacist's primary responsibility in a hospital is option A disease diagnosis, option B drug dispensing, option C surgery, option D physiotherapy. Correct answer is option B, drug dispensing. Next question. In filtration, which filter medium is commonly used for sterile filtration? Option A sand filter, option B membrane filter, option C cotton wool, and option D glass wool. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन डी, membrane filter. Membrane filter used for the sterile filtrations as they block microbes. Next question. Which section of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 define the term drug? Option A, Section 2B, option B, Section 3A, option C, Section 4 and option D, Section 5. ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक 1940 की कौन सी धारा दवा शब्द को परिभाषित करती है? सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The process of separating the two immiscible liquid is known as option A filtration, option B distillation, option C decantation and option D separating funnel technique. Correct answer is option D, separating funnel technique. This technique use a separating funnel to separate two immiscible liquid like oil and water. Distillation used for immiscible liquids and decantation used for sedimentation and liquid. Next question. Hospital formulary is prepared by option A nursing staff, option B pharmacy and therapist committee and option D C hospital administrator and option D drug inspector. Correct answer is option B, pharmacy and therapeutics committee. Next question. Clinical trials are conducted to option A check the cost of the drug, option B evaluate safety and efficacy, option C label the product and option D enhance packaging. Correct answer is option B, evaluate safety and efficacy, सुरक्षा और प्रभावशाली मूल्यांकन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ICH. ICH का पूर्ण रूप क्या है? ऑप्शंस है इंटरनेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ हार्मोनाइजेशन एंड इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ हेल्थ, इंटरनेशनल कमिटी ऑफ हॉस्पिटल एंड इंडियन क्लिनिकल हेल्थ केयर. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन A. ICH means International Council for Harmonization. Next question. In a hospital, the unit where intravenous administration are prepared is called option A pharmacy store, option B clean room, option C sterile preparation area and option D dispensing area. Correct answer is option C, sterile preparation area. Next question. Which analytical technique is used for the identification of functional group in a molecules? Option A UV spectroscopy, option B IR spectroscopy, option C NMR spectroscopy and option D mass spectroscopy. Correct answer is option B, IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy detect functional group by their unique infrared absorption. Next question. Which is the controlling authorities for pharmacy education in India? Option A AICTE, option B PCI, option C MCI, option D UGC. Correct answer is option B, PCI. Next question. Question number 19. The main objective of hospital pharmacy is to option A increase profit, option B ensure safe and effective medication use, option C promote brand drugs and option D conduct laboratory test. Correct answer is option B, ensure safe and effective medications use. Next question. Which technique is commonly used for the separation of component in a mixture in pharmaceutical analysis? Option A chromatography, option B sedimentation, option C centrifugation and option D decantation. Correct answer is option A, chromatography. Chromatography is used to separate identify component in complex mixture and sedimentation for liquid and solid separations and centrifugation used for dense component and decantation simple separation, less precise. Next question. Question number 21. The Schedule Y of drug and cosmetic rules deals with option A cosmetic standard, option B clinical trial, option C drug labeling and option D pharmacy education. The Schedule Y of Drug and Cosmetic Act deal with. Correct answer is option B, clinical trial. Next question. In pharmaceutical engineering, the process of reducing moisture content is called option A extraction, option B drying, option C sedimentation and option D sublimations. Correct answer is option B, drying. Next question. Which equipment is used in hospital for sterilizing surgical instrument? Option A, hot air on. Option B, autoclave. Option C, ball mill. And option D, centrifuge. Correct answer is option B, autoclave. Autoclave use steam under pressure to sterilize instrument, ensuring all microbes are killed. And hot air on used in dry heat sterilization, less effective for the surgical tool. And ball mill used for the grinding material. And centrifuge used to separate component based on density. Next question. The abbreviations GMP stand for, GMP का पूरा नाम क्या है? ऑप्शंस है जनरल मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस, ऑप्शन बी गुड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रैक्टिस, ऑप्शन सी गवर्नमेंट मेडिसिन प्रोग्राम एंड ऑप्शन डी ग्लोबल मेडिकल प्रोडक्ट. Right answer is option B, good manufacturing practice. Next question. Question number 25. The primary aim of clinical pharmacy is to option A, maximize drug sales, option B, optimize patient therapy, option C, manufacture medicines, and option D, conduct surgeries. Correct answer is option B, optimize patient therapy. Next question. The law which governs the registrations of pharmacists in India is option A, Pharmacy Act 1948, option B, Drug Act 1940, option C, Patent Act, option D, Excise Act. Correct answer is option A, Pharmacy Act 1948. Regulate pharmacy education, profession and registration in India. The abbreviations LAF stand for option A, laminar airflow, option B, liquid air filter, option C, laboratory air fan, and option D, light absorption factor. Correct answer is option A, laminar air flow. Next question. In pharmaceutical analysis, Karl Fischer titration is used to determine option A, pH value, option B, water content, option C, alcohol content, and option D, impurity content. Correct answer is option B, water content. Next question. Who regulate the manufacture, distributions and sales of drug in India? Option A, MCI, option B, PCI, option C, CDSCO, and option D, WHO. Correct answer is option C, CDSCO. CDSCO means Central Drug Standard Control Organizations. Central Drug Standard Control Organizations. Next question. The equipment used for particle size reduction in pharmaceutical industry is option A, autoclave, option B, ball mill, option C, spectrophotometer, and option D, hot air on. Correct answer is option A, ball mill. Ball mill used to reduce the size of solid particle by grinding them using balls, and autoclave used for the sterilizations, and spectrophotometer used for measuring absorbance, and hot air on used for the drying material. Next question. SOP in pharmaceutical industries stand for option A, standard operations planning, or option B, standard operating procedure, option C, scientific operation process, option D, special order processing. Correct answer is option B, standard operating procedure. Next question. The pH of blood is normally maintained around option A 5.5, option B 6.8, option C 7.4, and option D 8.5. Correct answer is option C, 7.4. Next question. The term Schedule H drugs refers to option A, over the counter drug, and option B, prescription drug, option C, herbal medicine, option D, veterinary medicine. Correct answer is option B, prescription medicine. Schedule H drugs are powerful medications that can only be sold with a doctor prescription to prevent misuse. Next question. The analytical instrument used to measure optical activity is option A, polarimeter, option B, pH meter, option C, UV spectrophotometer, and option D, viscometer. Correct answer is option A. Next question. In hospital pharmacy, unit dose system means option A bulk dispensing, option B dose given to entire ward, option C dose prepared and packed for individual patient, option D emergency stock dose. Correct answer is option C dose prepared and packed for individual patient. Next question. Which of the following is used for sterilizations of dry heat? Correct answer is option B. Membrane filter used for the filtration and autoclave used for the moist heat. Next question. Number 37. In IR spectroscopy, the fingerprint regions lies between. Correct answer is option D. Next question. The main objective of hospital formulary is to option A promote costly medicine, option B provide list of approved medicine, and option C advertising drugs, and option D replace doctor prescriptions. Correct answer is option B provide list of approved medicines. Next questions. Which part of the microbes regulate the amount of light entering? Option A objective lens, option B ocular lens, option C condenser diaphragm, and option D stays. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 41. The equipment used for separating immiscible liquid is option A rotary evaporator, option B separating funnel, option C autoclave, option D hot air oven. Correct answer is option B separating funnel. Next question. Which type of filter is used for sterilizing heat sensitive solution? Option C membrane filter, option C sand filter, option C paper filter, and option D vacuum filter. Correct answer is option A membrane filter. Next question. What is the full form of IPQC in pharmaceutical industries? Option A in process quality control, option B industrial product quality certifications, and option C instant product quality check, option D internal pharmaceutical quality council. Correct answer is option A in processing quality control. Next question. The apparatus used for moisture determination is option A Soxest extractor, option B Carl Fisher titration, option C hot air on, and option D viscometer. Correct answer is option B Carl Fisher titration. Next question. What is the main function of hospital pharmacy? Option A manufacturing drug, option B dispensing medicine to patient, option C advertising new product, and option D conducting clinical trial. Correct answer is option B dispensing medicines to patient. Next question. Question number 46. The Patent Act 1917 इंडिया प्रोटेक्ट, इसका आंसर जो आप हमें कमेंट में बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In chromatography, the mobile phase move through the option A stationary phase, option B moving phase, option C solution phase, and option D solid phase. Correct answer is option A stationary phase. A mobile phase carries component through the stationary phase, helping separating them. Next question. The term BMR in pharmaceutical manufacturing stand for option A basic material requirement, option B batch manufacturing record, option C bulk material ratio, and option D biological material report. Correct answer is option B batch manufacturing record. Next question. The equipment used for mixing immiscible. Next question. The abbreviation ICH stand for option A International Council for Harmonization, option B Indian Chemical Lab, option C International Clinical Handbook, and option D Integrated Clinical Health Care. Correct answer is option A International Council for Harmonizations. Next question. Which of the following drug is a serotonin reuptake inhibitor? Option A diazepam, option B fluoxetine, option C lithium, option D haloperidol. Correct answer is option B fluoxetine, and diazepam is a benzodiazepine used for the anxiety. and lithium used for the bipolar disorder, and haloperidol is a antipsychotic. Next question. Question number 52. Which of the following is a natural opioid? Option A morphine, option B tramadol, option C methadone, option D fentanyl. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ए मॉर्फिन. मॉर्फिन इज ए नेचुरल ओपियोइड ड्राइड फ्रॉम द ओपियम ओपी, अफीम के जो पेड़ होता है उससे. ठीक है. और जो ट्रामाडोल मिथाडोन फेंटानाइल जो है हमारे ये सिंथेटिक ओपियोइड है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 53. Which gland secrete insulin? Option A pituitary gland, option B thyroid gland, option C adrenal gland, and option D pancreas. Correct answer is option B pancreas. Pancreas secrete insulin which helps regulate blood sugar, and pituitary gland secrete growth and other hormones, and thyroid gland secrete thyroxine. Next question. Which of the following drug is used in tuberculosis treatment? Option A rifampicin, option B amoxicillin, option C ciprofloxacin, and option D ceftriaxone. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ए rifampicin. Next question. Which hormone responsible for regulating calcium level in blood? Option A insulin, option B parathyroid hormone, option C cortisol, and option D oxytocin. Correct answer is option B parathyroid hormone. Next question. Which of the following drug is proton pump inhibitor PPI? Correct answer is option B omeprazole. Omeprazole reduces stomach acid by inhibiting proton pump. And ranitidine, it is an H2 blocker drug. Next question. Which of the following drug is non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug? Option A paracetamol, option B ibuprofen, option C diazepam, and option D amoxicillin. Correct answer is option B ibuprofen. Next question. Which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of angiotensin 1 and option B angiotensin converting enzyme, option B pepsin, option C trypsin. Correct answer is option B angiotensin converting enzyme. AC help convert angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2 which increase blood pressure. Next question. Which drug is used as an anticoagulant? Option A heparin, option B atropine, option C ranitidine, and option D metformin. Correct answer is option A heparin. Heparin prevent blood clotting, and atropine used in bradycardia, and ranitidine used for the ulcer, and metformin used in diabetes. Next question. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B12, and option C vitamin K, and option D vitamin D. Correct answer is option C vitamin K. Next question. Which of the following is an example of an H2 receptor antagonist? Option A loratadine, option B ranitidine, option C omeprazole, and option D metformin. Correct answer is option A loratadine. Next question. Which drug is used as an antidote for opioid overdose? Option A naloxone, option B diazepam, option C atropine, and option D warfarin. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which enzyme is responsible for the metabolism of alcohol? Option A lipase, option B amylase, option C alcohol dehydrogenase, and option D pepsin. Correct answer is option C alcohol dehydrogenase. Next question. Which of the following drug is used in the treatment of epilepsy? Option A phenytoin, option B ranitidine, option C warfarin, option D insulin. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which neurotransmitter is primarily involved in Parkinson's disease? Option A dopamine, option B serotonin, option C GABA, option D acetylcholine. Correct answer is option A dopamine. Next question. Which drug is used as option D ranitidine? Correct answer is option A salbutamol. Salbutamol is a bronchodilator that relaxes the muscles in the airways, making easier to breathe in asthma. and atenolol is a beta blocker used to treat high blood pressure, and insulin used for the diabetes, and ranitidine is used for the acid reflux. Next question. The following is an example of a loop diuretic. Option A furosemide, option B spironolactone, option C hydrochlorothiazide, and option D amiloride. Amiloride is a potassium sparing diuretic, and hydrochlorothiazide is a thiazide diuretics, and spironolactone is a potassium sparing diuretics. So correct answer is option A. Furosemide is a loop diuretic. Next question. Which organ is primarily responsible for drug metabolism? Correct answer is option A. Liver. Liver is the primary organ responsible for the metabolism. Which of the following is a third generation cephalosporin? Option A ceftriaxone, option B cephalexin, option C ceftriaxone, option D cefloxime. Cefloxime जो है सेकंड जनरेशन cephalosporin है, और एंड सेफ्लॉक्सिन जो है ये हमारी फर्स्ट जनरेशन की है, ठीक है, और सेफ्लेक्सिन जो है ये हमारी फर्स्ट जनरेशन की है, और जो सेफ्ट्रैक्सोन है ये हमारी थर्ड जनरेशन की है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ड्रग इज यूज्ड टू ट्रीट हाइपरथायरॉयडिज्म। हाइपरथायरॉयडिज्म के इलाज के लिए कौन सी दवा का यूज किया जाता है? इसका आंसर जो आप हमें कमेंट में बताएं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ड्रग इज यूज्ड टू ट्रीट अल्जाइमर डिजीज? ऑप्शन ए डोनिपेजोल, रेनिडिन, मेटफॉर्मिन एंड फेनाटोइन। तो अल्जाइमर की डिजीज के लिए कौन सी जो ड्रग है उसका यूज किया जाता है? तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए डोनिपेजोल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which drug is known as proton pump inhibitor? प्रोटॉन पंप इनहिबिटर कौन से इसमें से? तो जो ओमिपेराजोल है ये हमारी प्रोटॉन पंप इनहिबिटर है that decrease stomach acid production used to treat acid reflux and the ulcer. Next question. Question number 73. Which of the following is a beta blocker? Option A atenolol, enalapril, losartan and verapamil. जो वेरापेमिल है ये हमारी कैल्शियम चैनल ब्लॉकर है, लोसार्टान है जो है हमारी ये एंजियोटेंसिन रिसेप्टर ब्लॉकर है, और जो एटेनोल है ये हमारी बीटा ब्लॉकर है, ठीक है, और एनाप्रिल जो है हमारी एसी इनहिबिटर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 74. इंसुलिन इज सीक्रेटेड बाय विच सेल्स ऑफ द पैनक्रियास? ऑप्शन ए अल्फा सेल्स, ऑप्शन बी बीटा सेल्स, ऑप्शन सी डेल्टा सेल्स, ऑप्शन डी गामा सेल्स। आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा ऑप्शन बी बीटा सेल्स। डेल्टा सेल्स सीक्रेट सोमेटोस्टेटिन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. रिफाम्पिसिन इज प्राइमरली यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ। अभी ऊपर भी एक क्वेश्चन आया था, ठीक है, ऑप्शन है ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, मलेरिया, डायबिटीज, हाइपरटेंशन। तो इसका सही आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ट्यूबरकुलोसिस। उसमें पूछा था उस वाले क्वेश्चन में ट्यूबरकुलोसिस के लिए कौन सी ड्रग का यूज करते हैं, और इसमें पूछ लिया कि रिफाम्पिसिन जो है वो किसके लिए यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। नंबर 76. द एंटीडोट फॉर पैरासिटामोल पॉइजनिंग इज ऑप्शंस है एट्रोपिन, एसिटाइलसिस्टीन, नैलोक्सोन्स एंड फ्लोमाजेनिल। सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी हो जाएगा इसका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which antibiotic inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis? Penicillin, tetracycline, chloramphenicol, erythromycin. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन ए पेनिसिलिन। Penicillin inhibit the synthesis of bacterial cell wall, making defective against bacterial infection. And tetracycline inhibit protein synthesis, and chloramphenicol inhibit protein synthesis. And erythromycin is a macrolide that inhibit protein synthesis. Next question. Digoxin is used in the treatment of options है hypertension, congestive heart failure, diabetes and asthma. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन बी congestive heart failure. Next question. Which vitamin prevent a neural tube defect in newborn? Vitamin C, D, folic acids and vitamin B12. ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा folic acid. Next question. Which drug is commonly used as an anti-epileptic? Options है valproic acids, metformin, salbutamol and omeprazole. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Streptomycin belongs to which class of antibiotic? Option A macrolide, aminoglycoside, cephalosporin और tetracycline. तो स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन किस वर्ग के एंटीबायोटिक में आता है? सही आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन बी अमाइनोग्लाइकोसाइड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Warfarin is classified as option A antiplatelet, anticoagulant, antihypertension, and antibiotic. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन बी एंटीकोगुलेंट. नेक्स्ट है द एंटीडोट फॉर बेंजोडाइजेपाइन ओवरडोज इज ऑप्शन ए एट्रोपिन, ऑप्शन बी नैलोक्सोन, ऑप्शन सी फ्लोनाजेनिल एंड ऑप्शन डी विटामिन के. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ बीसीजी वैक्सीन? ऑप्शन ए बैसिलस रेलामाइट यूरिक, ऑप्शन बी बैक्टीरियल सेल ग्रोथ, ऑप्शन सी बायो कंबाइंड ग्लूकोज एंड ऑप्शन डी बैक्टीरियल कल्चर ग्रोथ. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन ए बैसिलस कैलामाइट यूरिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, morphine belongs to which class of drug? Stimulants, narcotic analgesic, antibiotics, antihypertensive. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन डी नार्कोटिक एनाल्जेसिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which hormone regulate calcium metabolisms? इंसुलिन, पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन, ग्लूकागोन, थायरोक्सिन. ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन. पैराथायरॉयड हार्मोन रेगुलेट कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट मेटाबॉलिज्म बाय कंट्रोलिंग कैल्शियम लेवल इन द ब्लड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number 87, salicylisium is caused by overdose of which drug? Option A aspirin, paracetamol, ibuprofen and diclofenac. Correct answer is option A aspirin. Next question number 87, salicylisium is caused by overdose of which drug? Options are aspirin, paracetamol, ibuprofen and diclofenac. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन A aspirin. Next question, which drug is used to treat anaphylactic shock? ऑप्शन है एट्रोपिन, एफिनेफ्रिन, सल्बुटामोल एंड डाइजिपम. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन बी एफिनेफ्रिन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द प्राइमरी स्टोरेज ऑर्गन फॉर विटामिन ए? ऑप्शन है किडनी, लीवर, हार्ट, ब्रेन. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन बी लीवर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्लोरोफेनिकोल कैन कॉजेज विच सीवियर साइड इफेक्ट? ऑप्शन है ग्रे बेबी सिंड्रोम एंड स्टेविस जॉनसन सिंड्रोम एंड कुसिंग सिंड्रोम एंड पार्किंसंस डिजीज. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन ए ग्रे बेबी सिंड्रोम. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दें.